couple of other things that I think are pretty neat. We now have a new way of compressing toasted data. Toast is the system that PostgreSQL uses to store objects that are larger than a few kilobytes. And basically what it does is it breaks them up into small chunks and stores each chunk separately. And the data can be compressed as part of that process. In previous releases, that's done using a homegrown compression algorithm that was written many years ago by a PostgreSQL hacker. But if you enable this new optional feature, then you can instead use LZ4, which is a leading industry standard compression algorithm written by a compression expert. And it turns out that that works a little bit better. It uses fewer CPU cycles to perform compression and decompression, but despite that, it still compresses the data better than the PostgreSQL homegrown algorithm.
So that's pretty neat. Toaster's been around for years. I mean, Jan Vik wrote it, probably almost 20 plus years ago now, Bruce, something like that.
I think it was 2001 or something like that.
Sounds
really old.
20 years ago. So I didn't really follow this one on hackers because honestly, with most of the work I do, I don't have a great deal of time for following hackers these days. But there was talk in the past about making the compression algorithm pluggable. Did we go that far, or is this just a second built-in replacement?
I know Lætitia was really excited about this. I think this is just, I think it is, I don't know, the Russians were really hot on this one, and Robert did a lot of work to kind of get it in. I didn't actually check to see whether originally they were coming at us with a whole bunch of different compression algorithms, and we're like, whoa, hold on, let's just get one in here and see how it goes. The big problem really is that you can't use it unless you dump, you're creating a new database. And obviously that's an issue for people using PG Upgrade. Lætitia, I know you were really excited about this one.
Yes, because as I really do trust Postgres developer to do the best because I've read the code and I know how good it is. So that's why I was surprised that we weren't already using a good compression algorithm. I was very surprised it was a homemade compression algorithm that was not, let's just say, written by a compression expert. So I'm really excited about this code coming into Postgres, because I think that it can only make Postgres better. When you need compression, you talk to compression expert. When you need full text search, you talk to full text search expert, and so on. And actually, it's more a surprise, but I think that it can only make Postgres better.